Camera. Ready.
Keep going.
Will he make it?
Somebody take it one time.
Get him.
2, 3. Who's his opponent though?
Judges.
Sad. No,
And
yeah, still 100 there.
100.
next competitor.
Phil, serious face, Phil. You gotta get air.
He did it, came back.
That was warm up.
It was so fast, it came back. He already came back.
Yeah, you guys are.
You can fly. No, whoa.
Get smart. 4.
Ew.
For the girls. Come on, Phil. Serious face.
For the right.
No.
Hello, he had it.
Silence. The master needs silence.
You will fly 30 feet in the air.
30 inches.
30 Available at Toys R Us.
Too far. Above our city.
Dude. Okay.
Master.
Shut up.
Talk, Justin. Go. Okay. Come on.
Hello, I don't have that much.
Check your time out.
Go home, Regan.
Go home, Ray.
Go first.
One. Serious face, though.
That was good.
Would you like to try again?
He didn't run. Oh, it's after running style.
He's shaking.
Oh no, Cindy. Can you pause?